We danced beneath the thunder. Your laughter echoed softly like a half-remembered flame. The sky wore shades of silver. The air was warm and wild, but I was holding on to echoes. Now the summer rain keeps falling like the tears I never cried, washing over broken moments we both tried to hide. I still taste your lie in silence. I still see your face again. Every storm reminds me of us in the summer rain. Carved our dreams in sidewalk cracks. We swore they'd never fade, but seasons change and hearts forget the promises they made. You vanished like the sunset, too beautiful to stay, but I can feel you in the rainfall, just a heartbeat away. Would you come back if the sky's cleared? Would you stay if I let go of fear? These whispers in the water never lie. Now the summer rain keeps falling